Hey guys, what's up? I hope you are well, guys. In this video, I would like to share with you some with the road sign that you can see at the junction. When you are approaching junction, okay, so you're firstly, what is the, people asking, what is the junction? Junction is where you will be more than one road going and or meeting, okay? That is its junction. So, when you are approaching the road, when you come cross signs and you see sign, okay, you have to make sure and understand the priority. Okay, so guys, dealing with the junction should be not difficult as many people find it. First of all, is very important that, okay, when you are driving with the examiner, he is looking out how safely you do with the junction, okay, not how quickly. So don't rush in junction because you are not able to see who is coming from right or left, okay. So for safe, you have to stop and you have to look from left, from right, okay. Many students, they fail the exam. When they fail the exam because of this junction, they are not stopped, they are not looking from left and right, and then they go in front of the car, so they are failed. Okay, so it's easy. When you are already in the junction, you have to stop and look from left and right, yeah, and give yourself chance to look from left and right. Don't be rush, okay. Let's talk about turning left and right into junction, okay, and then I will explain to you on the road, okay. I will using some diagrammers, okay. What you call this one? T junction. What's name? T junction. You will see this one in the crossroad. So sometime when you stop in the junction, you cannot see from left because of the houses, whatever, from right and left, okay. So you need to stop and you have to be careful. Don't be rushed, like I said, okay. We have different junction. So T junction, this one, the crossroad, when you are approaching the crossroad, okay, meaning you are in main road and there will be road going from each side, so you have to just be careful. Could be a car coming from right side or going and coming to your road, so you have to be careful. All right, guys, let's practice on the road. So when you are in junction, T junction, okay, you have to use signal first. Slow down, use signal, and stop. There's a car or no, you have to stop and you have to look. If you are going to the left, you have to look both sides, from right and left. No car, go ahead. You need only just one turn and quarter. That's it. Okay? Don't turn half steering or no. One turn and quarter, that's enough. Alright, so when you are with the examiner or the instructor driving the road, okay, you have to know, you have to see the signboard, how limited the speed there. Always check the signboard. Okay, now I'm going to turn left, one turn and quarter, and then bring my steering to straight. Right, I'm going to do again to the right. This time I have to stop. T junction, you have to stop. Look both sides. I'm going to turn right, signal. Here we go. My steering straight. Sometimes your steering automatically will come with your hand, but don't take hand off of steering. No, keep it there. Okay, I'm going to turn to the right. Signal, slow down. Then I will turn one and quarter. Steering back straight and go ahead. And you have to see how much speed limit is there, because it's very, very important to see how you drive speed limited. Okay, this road, like this small road, just 40 maximum. Okay, I'm going to turn to the right. When I too close from T junction. Okay, I have to stop. You signal, check from left, no one, go ahead. One turn and quarter, and go ahead. It is easy. Don't be rush when you are crossing the road. Just make sure, okay, there's no cars coming from left or right. Then you have to move. Don't be rush. Okay? Go to the right. Check from left, no one. Then I have to move. One turn, quarter. Alright guys, you can practice this one always. Be careful, because when you are with the examiner, like I said, the examiner, he wanted to drive for, safe driving. He didn't want to see you how you drive, speed or too quick, No. You have to be careful. You have to, Many students, they fail the exam. Why? Because they have serious mistake. They are not stopped at T junction. Okay, if you are not stopped at T junction and you are driving and car coming from left in front of the car, this one mistake is enough, because serious mistake. The examiner, he will say to you, this mistake is serious mistake. It's too dangerous. You are going in front of the car. You're not stopped. So that's why the student, they said, we fail in the exam because we are in the crossing road T junction. We are not stopped. So you can imagine how risk if you are driving in crossing road and you not stop and there is car coming from left. What will happen? Of course, accident. This is serious mistakes. No, you have to stop. You have to look. Give yourself chance. You have to look from the both side. Alright guys, so I'm going to turn to the right. Okay, when I am in the T junction, I have to stop. I will turn to right, I use signal, okay? I have to look. Okay, how long you stop there, take time, take time, it's okay, don't worry. Make sure the road is clear. That time you have to move. Don't be rushed. Okay, I'm going to turn again to the right. Okay, I'll reduce my speed, signal, one turn quarter, and then steering back. See, the steering automatically will come in my hand sometime. But don't take out your hand from the steering wheel. Okay, I have to stop and turn quarter, one turn quarter here. Okay. Always what I need to do before I'm going to turn, I reduce my speed, signal, okay. When the mirror already aligned with the corner, that time I'm going to turn. One turn and quarter. And directly the steering, it will be in my hand to straight. You understand what I mean, no? Okay. So I'm going to turn to the left. I have to stop. T junction, then there's no car, I have to move, one turn, quarter, steering back straight. That's it. Right, right again. I have to check from left, no car. I go ahead, one turn and quarter. Okay guys, so thank you for watching and see you inshallah another video. Keep practice always, focus on the exam, and I hope all you're going to pass the exam inshallah, road test. Thank you for watching again. See you another video inshallah. Thank you.